Hello everyone, this is Jebel Sarishabi. My register number is URK23CS119. Today I'm going to explain you about my ninth experiment. So first question is to read the data set. So first I'm importing CSV file and to read data I'm just giving file name. I'm just giving transaction column, new column. Uh, when we open the file we are going to read as file and the reader is going to read the file. The row is we are gonna set the unique values into the transaction, then we are gonna return the transaction. Well, what are the things we are gonna use is we are gonna read the data from shop one CSV file and we are gonna print the transaction. So this is going to be the transaction we are gonna use. We are gonna uh, we are gonna create it. We have created. So next question is to display the candidate set and frequency set of every iteration. For that, I'm just importing iter import combinations to get support. We are gonna give. I'm just giving in item set and transactions. So the count values initially is going to be 0 for every transaction. We are gonna take the subset from. Then we are counting the value of if the item dot is subset of t, we are going to count the value. Then we are going to return count divided by length of transaction into 100. To generate the candidate, we are going to give the previous length and k. The candidates we are going to set and we are going to list the previous L. For range, we are going to give the L and for J, I plus 1 and length. We are going to give a union. We are going to union of I and J. If the union is equal, length of the union is equal to K. Candidates, we are adding frozen set union, returning candidates. And a priori, we are going to give transaction and minimal support. We are creating a column. For C1 items, we are going to get the unique items. In transaction, in T, we are gonna add the items, frozen set in items and printing C1. And for L1, getting support if it is minimum, it is greater than minimum, we are adding to L1 and printing the L1 and we are appending to L which we created over here. Then we are assigning k value while it is true. ck we are going to ck value is going to be the generate candidates l minus 1 and k and printing the ck value and the lk is set of for item in ck get support it is which is greater than or equal to minimum support. We are adding item to lk, then printing lk. So if not in lk, we are going to break or otherwise appending lk to the l and the k value we are going to increment as 1 and we are going to returning l. So minimum, for example, we are giving minimum set support value is 8. The l is a priori transaction and minimum support. So this is going to be the output. So the next question is to display the association rule. For that, generating rules L transaction for level in L1 for item set in level, for I in range 1 in length of item set, for Anderson in combination item set. Anderson is set Anderson getting the unique value. Consequent item set minus Anderson. Then we are printing the uh, rules. So the next question is find all the rules of the subset then have a higher confidence value. So for that defining generate strong rules and for level L1 items set in level for I in range 1 length of item set for Anderson in combination item set of I and we are giving the same over here and adding support item set get support item transaction support Anderson getting the support Anderson and transaction confidence is equal to the support item set divided by Anderson support Anderson into 100. If the confidence is greater than or equal to minimum confidence, we are printing the Anderson and Anderson. So minimum, for example, minimum confidence is 50, generating the strong rules. The strong association rules is confidence is greater than or equal to 50 percentage. That's all for my ninth experiment. Thank you.